all of you who are here today are here for a reason.
Our mission is simple and powerful: to see beyond disability, provide opportunities for people to live, love, learn, and work right here in our own community.
Seems like, with people with disabilities can make a big difference, we're not being overlooked.
Regardless if you have a disability or not, you can be unstoppable.
The Central Park Challenge means one thing: celebration! Continue to live life to the fullest.
Yeah, just have a good time, Yup.
I'm confident that we're trying, and I'm confident that there's a lot of beautiful people who want the best for the disabled community.
I can't wait for next year.
Wow!